Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we're going to learn how to say sorry in Cantonese. There are two common ways to say sorry. First, I'm sorry. 對唔住,對唔住. We use 對唔住 when you need to seriously apologize. You made a mistake or you caused trouble. For example, 對唔住,我打爛咗你隻杯. Sorry, I broke your cup. A polite way to say excuse me, sorry is 唔好意思,唔好意思. You say 唔好意思 when you're getting someone's attention, asking a question, or passing through people. 唔好意思,請問洗手間喺邊啊? Excuse me, where is the washroom? Well done today. Now you know how to say sorry in Cantonese. Hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe for more Cantonese lessons. See you next time. 下次見.